If you don't like it, you'll start eating it. Banana, yes, there's no way to resist. In a blender here, I'll start by adding 4 ounces of cornstarch. Here I'm using 2 packets. Let's close it and blend it all up really well. After blending, just pour it out and set it aside. And on top, I'm going to add some butter. The amount is enough to mix until it turns into a dough. This one, folks, is the perfect consistency. Once that's done, now on top we're going to add the bananas cut into pieces. It can be the bananas of your choice. And now on top we're going to add condensed milk. Here I used more or less 2 boxes. That's it. It's ready. Now let's set it aside. In a bowl, we're going to add egg whites. I'm going to use about 3 egg whites, and I'm going to beat them really well. I'm adding sugar little by little until it turns into stiff peaks. This right here is the perfect consistency. Let's now pour it on top of the condensed milk. Just add it and then spread it out really well. After making a smooth surface on top, we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to leave it for 40 minutes or until it's done. And look, friends, how amazing this dessert is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Now it's just a matter of cutting it and enjoying it. This baked banoffee is incredible, folks. Look at how delicious it is. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Broke in the Kitchen. A big hug. See you next time, and thank you.